So we had this news from SUI that they announced this SUI token community access program, and I'm sure you already saw it with 3 different types of participation and rewarding. First is competition winners from KP holidays, champions and supporters. I will put the links in the description, and I think majority of you were part of this supporters program because it's just being part of SUI Discord before 1st of February, which was very easy. If you are doing activities, it means that you're like most probably you are part of this Discord. And you know, I see people are disappointed, like people feel wrecked that they're not getting this airdrop, but at the same time they're having the access to this first token sale like priority for 3 cents only, and in this case you are eligible to buy until up to $45 per wallet on Bybit, on OKX and on KuCoin, and you know, the price is very good. There is no lockup, so meaning that you could buy it and sell like straight away in like half a day or something. And the difference between public sales start price and this first like priority is about 3x, and me personally I think maybe you could do even 10x with this like priority price, because I was part of some IDOs prior like to this bear market, and it gave even 15x for the early supporting price. But you just need to be part of the lottery. But if you are doing this with multiple wallets, most probably you will get like at least a few, and at the end it's a good money. And yeah, also for SUI lottery, for those who are going to buy it on token sale, price is 10 cents, which is very good in my opinion, because personally I think their target price is about $1. They will be up to like trading up to 50 cents, maybe like not from the beginning, but it's a doable price. But if you are going to be part of this token sale, in this case, make sure you understand that you will have this allocation for 1 year, and unlock is going to be 7.7% monthly. And yeah, it's just something you need to understand, and this is different for the early supporters program. So the only problem if you're not part of OKX and you don't have OKB to participate, you need to buy it, and the amount is about $1,000 to stake. And I'm personally not sure that is it worth it for you buying OKB only for this, because it's pumped already very hardly, and I think it's going to be continuing later on. Just yeah, interesting to see like even price speculation, because what else they announced potentially, like it's just the article, but it seems there is some signs of Layer Zero Airdrop plus token sale on OKB, and they're just hyping on this. They did this article how to be eligible for the airdrop. And yeah, I will also put the link in the description. Plus, I will share my articles in Medium, because I did very great tutorial 2 parts, and those tasks are worth doing it. And actually, my strategy is to focus on limited amount of activities. Prior to that, I was part of Aptos, one wallet. Then I did Arbitrum. Now I truly believe I did SUI, but not very like just very not many, and now I think like we have Layer Zero plus zkSync activities to focus on. And me personally, I don't think you need to do everything you see in the space, like this testnet, that testnet. Sometimes they just give you $2 per your activity. For me personally, I don't want to spend my time for doing this. It just even don't worth it. I prefer to do like one activity with multiple wallets. In my opinion, it gives much more profit and makes much more sense. And even here with those discourse, it's very doable. And I did announce actually this like kind of course sharing my experience with multiple wallets, and like guide tutorial course. It's just yeah, don't know how to better call it, because it's just my experience, my knowledge, all my rules to follow. And this is still to be launched on 25th of April, still some time, and I announced pre-sale, and I'm happy seeing that so many, like not so many, but many people joined, because they already earned with me money with other airdrops, plus some of those people were already blacklisted from Arbitrum and other airdrops, so I feel their pain, and I understand that they need this like rules to follow. It's about 10 lessons to follow, how you need to protect yourself from being blacklisted, because you know, if you're just making it stupidly, I just continue saying like this, stupidly, but I just want to protect you, and don't think that if you are doing like 10 times of same activities repeatedly, you won't be blacklisted. It's like Sybil attacks, potentially they could mark you as Sybil account, and this is many things you need to be careful of. And plus all these details, how to buy discords, how to manage discords properly without being like annoyed with these verifications, how to do twitters, and how to make multiple like wallets without not linking it on exchanges. Many rules, actually. I have a lot of information, and I'm happy that yeah, I did announce that if like someone is going to buy it on pre-sale, which is $50 only, I will do it. And it was like a good feedback from the audience, and in this case I will already preparing it. Launches on 25th. It's a Telegram bot format. I will put the link, and you could book the spot on using the like Telegram. But plus, please don't just click on book the sport. You need to also pay before 25th, because in this case, if it's going to be later, I will do, as I mentioned in my prior video, $69 for professional plan for 5 accounts, if you want to do about 5 accounts, and 10 accounts plus, it's like going to be enterprise plan for $119. So for now it's everything you could get for $50, so I really think it's a very good deal. And just make sure you are also pay before this day, not only click the book button. And in this case, you are good with multiple wallets for major activities, Layer Zero and zkSync. Yeah, you could do more like SEO or something, but if I'm confident in those activities, I'm just prefer doing this multiple times, because you can it's time, effort, it's money, and disappointment in the end, because now with SUI many people got disappointed because they do so many accounts, so many activities, so many testnets. But you know, SUI from the beginning, they just said we are not going to reward like you as an airdrop, we are not going to do this, and they was followed what they said. And you know how these wallets look like, how the ecosystem look like. Even we just need to connect our discords to check, and verification is failing because how it works. They are not initially supported by major exchanges, so everything looks very ugly. I mean, not very ugly, but it's just not the activity, it's not the token I'm going to buy. Maybe it will pump. It just, I would can't recommend it. I'm very into Arbitrum, and I keep saying that it's good. I even say in my Telegram that I just didn't sell anything from the airdrop. Even I bought more, to be honest, when the price was about $1.2, and now it's just a good pump, and I'm pretty sure it's keep pumping, and it will be $3 more, and I still will hold all my bag of Arbitrum. And not same for SUI. Maybe it's good, but if you have better projects, maybe it's better to invest in better projects, not in SUI. It is actually all. Please check Layer Zero tutorial, and I will also put zkSync tutorials as well. Just in the beginning, there prices of transaction is high because of the activity. After we received Arbitrum airdrop, everybody was like, okay, let's do zkSync. It was crazy transaction fees. So like now, maybe 1 week later, it will be some silence and calm. In this case, we could doing it like very patiently and hardly. But yeah, Layer Zero and zkSync, those two activities are good to do, and please make sure you're doing those as priority. And yeah, it is actually all I wanted to share with you guys today. Have a great weekend.